Hello guys, welcome to Zonle Doors channel. We have been sold our product to over 20 countries and religions, and we do have so many feedbacks from our clients. Today I would like to share a feedback from South Asia clients to you.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank Zonle company for providing high quality sport door and receiving the goods in time, which helped me solve very urgent problem. I really like their dedicated attitude and very professional in solving the problem. Looking forward to cooperate together again. At the same price, the quality of Zonle steel door is better than other previous suppliers, which helped me to pass the acceptance of authoritative institute. I trust this company and I will cooperate with John for a long time. I sent their simple inquiry and Alibaba fast. It's amazing. The salesperson replied me at midnight 11:30 p.m. They asked me for more details about my requirements. We confirmed all details within 2 days. Then I start order with them. They are very professional and patient. This is my second order with them. I think I will purchase all doors from Zonle doors of the following project. I will recommend them to my friends too. Nice quality, professional, reliable and nice service. Yes, we faced some problem. The project building would finish in 2 months and we need to stay installing doors soon at the time. Time was limited and it was take about 1 month for delivery. They arranged our order, production, priority and delivery in 1 week. And 384 set door finished within 10 days. It's amazing. I was very grateful because it helped me and my project finish in time. Thank you.
Well, this is one of the feedbacks from our client. If you want more information, please feel free to contact us.